Welcome back to my channel. We're obviously in the car.
Hi.
We're going on a road trip to finally get out of the house. And Remy's here. Remy! Remy!
Big boy.
It's really messy back there because that's just where he likes to hang out. But anyway, we're gonna go hopefully hike if it doesn't start raining again. And we're also gonna go on a search for some water bottles. Car snacks today are the best little cherry tomatoes you'll ever have and broken pretzel thins. We stopped at a gas station and Jason, I can tell that he's kind of mad at me because I told him it was going to be 80 degrees and he should wear shorts and a t-shirt, and then by the time we got up north it's actually 50 degrees and he's freezing. How was it? Why were you tense?
It's cold?
Yeah. Jason wasn't quite cold enough, so.
It is cold. It's like 50 degrees. You got dog hair all over.
And he still wanted ice cream though, so we're getting ice cream. Someone's very excited for their pup cup. We are stopping to buy a sweatshirt for this baby. We literally just grabbed one to get a sweatshirt. Mission success. No longer a little cold baby. We have on our sweatshirts. What does yours say?
Life is great in the wild.
Life is great in the wild. And I'm wearing a little kid's extra large. Extra large that says, it's a little moose. And it says, up north. And Remy is pooping. We found a little waterfall. And Remy found it too.
Wah, wah.
Remy's poop is gonna be the star of this vlog. You skipped it 4 times! A couple of the cutest tushes I've ever seen. I love this view. I'm kind of liking our, it says don't enter. Woo! Oh no. Back it up, back it up.
Why are you recording
I'm
it?
too scared.
Record it. Good.
I think that chipmunk scared me. Now they're chasing each other.
Remy does.
Oh, that was terrifying. I love wildlife. Jason's working and wandering. I'm worried he's gonna like fall right off this cliff because when he talks on the phone, he just aimlessly walks. Watch him. Well, that's it. It's time to head home. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe in the bubble on the screen. And thanks for hanging out with us, and thanks for watching.